Alright, folks, let's talk iPhones. Word on the street is that Apple's cooking up something seriously different with the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this one might actually live up to the hype. Leaked photos of a dummy unit just popped up, and yeah, we know dummy unit doesn't exactly scream excitement, but this one's got some spicy details. First off, it's rocking a brand new rear camera setup, not the usual square or triangle of lenses we're used to. Nope. This time, Apple might be going with a horizontal camera bar across the top of the back, kind of like something you'd expect from Google's Pixel lineup. It's big, it's bold, and it's definitely not subtle. This new camera bar is noticeably larger and thicker, which likely means Apple is stuffing in some upgraded camera tech. Think larger sensors, sharper optics, and potentially a major leap in photo and video performance. Basically, if you're into mobile photography or content creation, this could be your dream phone. Now, the unit spotted is wearing a blue finish that gives off iPhone 16 vibes, but let's be honest, the real star here is that camera bump. It's massive. Like, can't unsee it massive. And the fact that third-party cases are already being molded around it. That tells us this design might actually be hitting production. So, what else can we expect from the Pro Max? According to the latest rumors, 348MP cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. This would be the first time all three lenses match in resolution, which could mean a smoother, more consistent photography experience no matter how you shoot. Oh, and did we mention 8K video recording? Yeah, that might be on the table too. If true, this would be a first for Apple, and a pretty big flex for anyone who wants cinematic quality straight from their phone. While the regular iPhone 17 is expected to stick with the standard dual camera setup, the Pro Max seems to be where Apple's going all out. Bigger sensors, sharper images, more power, and a design that actually looks different for once. If everything lines up, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might not just be another yearly refresh, it could be the start of a whole new design language for Apple. So what do you think? Is this the kind of bold move Apple needs, or are you still holding out for USB-C on the base models? Either way, this one's gonna be fun to watch.